A fragrant crust and a soft filling. The perfect idea for a packed lunch or a carefree day with friends. GialloZafferano presents its version of a spaghetti omelette. Let's start with the main ingredient. I'm going to cook immediately the pasta in boiling in salted water. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut the Scamorza into teeny-weeny cubes. I transfer them in a bowl. Then I take care of the bacon, having already removed its rind. Like all omelettes, the ingredients can be replaced using your creativity. Instead of smoked Scamorza, for example, you could use mozzarella, Emmental or Gruyere, whereas in place of bacon you could use ham or salami. I'll cut it into thin strips. It's time to drain the spaghetti. A nice round of oil. I'll mix it and let it cool down. This recipe will come in handy when you have leftover pasta. It is a great way not to waste it. Meanwhile, break the eggs in another bowl. Strip a sprig of thyme. Pour the milk. The grated cheese. And then salt and pepper. And mix it all. I'll add bacon and Scamorza. And finally spaghetti. And stir well. It's time to cook the omelette. Pan on the stove, in a round of oil, a clove and unpeeled garlic, the tile squash with my hand. I let it warm a few moments. Good, the bottom is hot, garlic out and mixture it. I let the base set for 1 minute at high temperature, then I lower the heat, cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. I think it's time to flip the omelette. You can do it with a lid or, like me, with a pizza plate. The surface must remain moist this way. I place the lid and turn it over. Beautiful. In. I tuck back in the spaghetti that came out and I let the omelette cook for another 5 minutes without a lid, because it must end up like this. The spaghetti omelette is a rich one-course meal to be enjoyed in slices, but not just one, at least 2 each. Here below I leave the link to GialloZafferano photo recipe for ingredients, doses, procedures, explained step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a nice like, and if you have any questions to ask, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe immediately to GialloZafferano channel to stay up to date with all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.